Hi everyone, today is the 19th of January 2021 and we are back again, and today is a trading day, and tomorrow on the 20th of January Biden is going to take over the White House. So I assume that this week the market will be very volatile. I would prefer not to open a lot of new position this week, but I'm also not going to close a lot of position on my portfolio. We'll just leave it and see how it goes. But there's only two trades that I want to do this week, and one of them is FUBO. FUBO, I'm currently long 200 share on FUBO at $35 price. So I'm going to sell 2 call for FUBO. And NIO, I'm just assigned 100 share at $58. So I'm going to sell a call on NIO as well. And let's take a look at my current position. So for my new trade on the 28th of December, I sell to open a 41 put, and that expire, and I collected $1.66. Then on the 12th of January, I sell to open a 58 put that expired last Friday for $1.33. That is $133. And today I'm assigned the share because NIO actually closed below $58 on last Friday. So I'm being assigned 100 share at $58. And NIO right now is above the strike price. So that is actually a good thing because I'm making on the assignment. So that is my current NIO position. And my average price for NIO right now, based on this year alone, is $55.01. So today I'm going to sell a call on NIO, and let's take a look at the option chain for NIO. I'm looking for a 1 week option, and again I'm aiming to collect a 1% premium, because if I'm able to collect a 1% premium, I will be able to get 52% a year, and that is a very good return. So to collect 1% premium, I should be looking at around 60 cents or 58 cents, and that will bring us to the strike of about 63 strike. And by selling a 63 strike, I still have a upside potential for another $5 if I'm being called away. And $5, that is $500. I think that's great because I get to collect my 1% premium, and at the same time I give the stock some upside potential to run. So I think I'm going to sell the 63 call, selling 1 contract because I have 100 share. So I'm done for the 63 call, selling at 58 cents. So I will just update it here, selling a 63 call. And that is going to expire this Friday. So I actually sell it for 58 cents, and that actually bring my average price to be $54.43. That is regardless of where NIO is going to trade by this Friday, my average price for NIO is actually $54.43. So I'm done for NIO, and the next trade that we are going to look at is the FUBO trade. I opened a FUBO trade on the 29th of December, selling to open 35 put that expire on the 8th of January for $3.30. That is $330 for one contract, and I sell 2 contracts of it. Then on the 11th of January, I'm long the stock at $35. At the same time, on the 11th of January, I sell a call at strike 32 for 72 cents. That is $72 for 2 contracts. That is about 144. So my average price for FUBO right now is $30.98. So I'm done for the NIO. And for the FUBO, right now over here is actually showing a loss of $800 because it showed that I'm long the share at $35, and currently FUBO is at $30.80. So it showed that I have a loss of $800, but that is because it never take into calculation that all this premium that I collected, $3.30 and 72 cents, all this did lower my average price to $30.98. So at the moment, I'm about break even on FUBO. I can close out this trade and consider it as a break even. But I'm going to try to look for some call to sell on FUBO. Same thing, I'll be looking at the this week expiry. And let's see, to collect a 1% premium, that is 30 cents. Which strike can I sell for 30 cents on FUBO? So to collect a 30 cents, I can probably sell it at 39 strike. From 30 to 39, that is another $9 of run for FUBO. But I think for FUBO, I want to go a little bit closer so that I can recruit more premium back. So I'm going to go for a 35 strike. So for the 35 strike, I want to sell 2 contracts, and I want to sell it at the mid price and see if I'm able to get a few. So I'm actually done at 35 strike for 85 cents. So let me just update for my FUBO. So I actually sell it at 35 for 85 cents. So that actually bring my average price to $30.13. So that is my FUBO trade for this year. So my average price is $30.13. And if FUBO is above $30.13 by this Friday, I'm actually winning on this trade. And the best scenario is actually for FUBO to go above 35. Then my stock will be called away. And I'll probably be making a lot more if FUBO is up. Same thing for NIO. If NIO is up, I'll be making more. So that's all for today. And I'm not going to open new trade because, as I mentioned, the week will be very volatile. So even for Palantir, I will just stay out for 1 week, and I will come back next week and see where we are, and we can move on from there. And if you like the video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.